Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, we are into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, and through our innovative investment strategies and comprehensive training programs. So, as part of the training programs, we have uploaded our educational modules, module 1 to 16, in both English and Tamil in our company Fibocan's YouTube channel. That's very useful. Module 1 to 4 is ideally suited for anyone who is doing plus 1, plus 2 or HSE, whatever you want to call, or in the age group of 17, any stream, not just commerce, even science stream. 1 to 4, anyone and everyone should watch. Module 5 onwards is ideally suited. Module 5 to 8 is for degree holders. And anyone who is doing MBA or anybody who is doing CA, CFA, and those kind of finance specialization, they should definitely watch up to module 15. Module 16 is exclusively for income tax on derivatives. That is for traders who are trading on derivatives, and also for CA, CFA students and those who are doing articleship with auditors. So that is in our Fibocan's YouTube channel. Our daily videos which we put is purely focused on market related. So on Monday to Friday, we put about Indian markets, and over the weekends, either Saturday or Sunday, we put about the global markets. In this video, what we will discuss is, in every video, in the daily videos, we will discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when, and how it will happen. Which is why we request everyone to watch our daily videos till the end. Don't stop in between. Encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Click the bell icon. Thank you. Today is August 2, 2023, Wednesday. So in this video, as always, we will discuss about the market performance for this day. First the levels, then we go into the discussion part of it. Nifty closed 1.28% down at 20,066.95. BankNifty closed 1.3% down at 44,995.70. Nifty closed at 19,526.55. 1.05% down. So everything, as you can see, is significantly down. If you recollect, what did we say? Traders have to be cautious. In fact, last month itself we said that next month there can be a fall, big fall that can come. The fall has happened. And yesterday also we told that it is clear that the direction is going to be sideways with downward bias. That's very clear. It's not going to go up. And in fact, the all-time high it touched, it's not going to break that past easily. At least in this month, it's not going to happen. We said that is what had happened. That's the power of technical analysis. Nothing, we are not magician. We are just using the power of technical analysis to tell technically what are the levels, how the stocks are, how the indices are. That is why today you had such a significant fall. Of course, people will come and say that the fall was because of US being downgraded from AAA plus to AA or whatever. These are all some reasons attributed to the downfall, because technically it was about to go down, but the fall was fastened, or the fall was magnified by such events and news. But otherwise, the fall was imminent, the downfall was imminent, because there was no energy there to take the stocks up. That is what we have said. What happened? Gap down opening, straight away gap down opening. So which means it is very clear, and where the gap it opened below the Bollinger middle band on the exponential moving average. That means straight away it is Bank Nifty is below these levels, which means it was very clear. Normally in a gap down or gap up, the levels are broken. So hence it was obvious that right at the outset, today is going to be a downward market. How far it will go down? The fall was magnified or furthered by the US events that had triggered the fall, one can say. So that was very, very clear. So all the stocks fell. In fact, everything fell, excepting some consumer goods, little bit of support. Everything fell, and in fact, many of the stocks have now gone below the previous year's close also. I'll come to that levels. So hence, one has to be extremely cautious, which you have been telling time to time. That is what we are saying, that new bulls be cautious. Okay, there are anchors, TV analysts, paper analysts, and fund managers. Their only motto is to just to lure investors to come. Please come, always right time to invest. No. Yes, as a small investor, if you are investing and putting in SIP, that's a different story. But if you are a trader playing, entering, this is not the time to enter. Wait. That's what we will say. But if you're a long-term investor, 10 years, 15 years horizon, any time is a good time to buy. Okay. So let's go into the analysis part of it. Banks, Bandhan, Axis, HDFC, ICICI, Indus, Kotak, IDFC all fell 1%. SBI and Federal fell 2%. So SBI is now below the 2022 close. It managed to go above the 2022 close briefly for a few days, but it was hovering in there and here. Decisively, it is now below 2022 close. Same is the case with Axis Bank. It's just 0.33% above. HDFC Bank is just less than 1% above the 2022 close. What it signifies? It signifies that once these 2022 levels are broken, you will have a bigger fall that is coming in. Hence, one has to be cautious. That is very important. That's the point we are trying to drive at. Axis Bank, HDFC, everything is near the 2022 close. On the financials, Bajaj Finance, LIC Housing Finance, M&M, Sriram 1% down, IDFC, L&T Finance, Manappuram 2% down, Bajaj Finserv and Chola 3% down. If you recollect, Bajaj Fins, I called last month itself, I said that that's set to fall significantly in the next month. That is what we said in July. Precisely that is what had happened. Nothing great or it's new about it. In fact, Kotak Bank is also below the 2022 close. So that means one has to be extremely cautious. Insurance and cards, LIC, ICICI Pru, SBI Life and SBI Cards 1% down. Today, oil and telecom, Reliance and Bharati both fell, which is why you had Nifty also falling significantly. The IT, Birlasoft, SCL Tech, Infi, Intellect, LTTS, Wipro 1% down. Apple, Coforge, LTIM 2% down. Emphasis 4% down. So all IT stocks also fell. That is why you had such a fall. Techem managed to hold, but it is not inherently strong. Hence, like what you call, one has to be cautious. If Techem goes this way, next year there will be a big fall. Next year means 2024 calendar year. On the consumer goods, Colpal, DMart, ITC, Titan, Trent 1% down. Asian Paints, Berger, HUL and Nestle 1% up. PVR 3% up. So these stocks managed to help consumer goods or staples. That is what is called. Managed to help Nifty. Otherwise, Nifty would have fallen even further. In fact, at one point in time, Nifty was 50 points below the current level, and during the close, it managed to close above and forming first reversal in the hourly chart, but that has to be ignored. Automobiles, M&M, Maruti 1% down, Bajaj Auto, Eicher Motors, Motherson 2% down, Bharat Forge and Tata Motors 3% down, TVS and Escorts 1% up. Metals, it was a great down day for metals. Coal, Hindalco, JSW, Vedanta 2% down, National Aluminium, SAIL, Tata Steel 3% down, Jindal had a big fall of 4%. Health and Pharma, Apollo, Cipla, Metropolis, Sun Pharma, Thyro, all 1% down, Divi's 1% up. Others, DLF, Delta Corp, Havels, IRCTC, Polycab, UPL 1% down, L&T and Godrej 2% down, MCX 3% down. Others remained flat. Polycab is something which the up move is over, short-term up move is over, hence no new builds. Please don't try to enter at this level. It is correcting and technically it will have a good fall. With all these things, what do we expect? Yesterday still we told that the same levels we are maintaining. For BankNifty and Nifty, the all-time high cannot be taken out. That's which we said, right? In the entire month of August, it cannot be taken out. Likewise, on the downward side, in fact, much below the Bollinger Band, one has to go for Banknifty, probably 43,800 or somewhere level, which is below the Bollinger lower band. That is where the support levels are available. It is some 9-week or 10-week exponential moving average, those levels. Then for Nifty is concerned, the 50-day moving average below which one can go, which is at 19,094. Probably one can think of at 1940 or 1930 levels. Thank you very much.